All right, so let's do an unboxing of this tool. This is the RYOBI one. The router is not a router for your internet connection or anything like that, but this is for wood. So as you can see here, we have the model number. As you can see here, is PCL424B. I repeat again, is PCL424. So as you can see here, this is the router. It's very small. I mean, it says 20% more compact than the other ones. So it says powerful cutting up to 3000 RPMs, accuracy and control with variable speed dial. So that is a good thing because I had another one and it didn't have the speed control. So it was always maximum speed. 3 years of warranty, and we don't have anything else, nothing else. Let's see. Okay, here we have the specs. As you can see here, it says compact router, the model between 20,000 and 30,000 RPMs for fast, powerful cutting by variable speed dial, provides precision and accuracy for multiple applications, compact and ergonomic size, provides comfort and control during extended use. I don't know how extend use because the battery will not last not even half an hour. Micro adjustment dial provides easy and precise depth control, quick release lever for easy depth adjustment, and base removal, and LED. So I like the LED thing. And we have the collet size is 1/4 and the RPMs like I told you before, and that's it. This is no brushless, so that is the only downside about this. So you take it out of the box, come this adapter. So if you want to hook it up to vacuum cleaner, so this is the tool. I'm going to remove the battery because otherwise it make it like very bold, at least to show it to present it in the video. So this, you have this. I think you have to remove in this case the lens that you have here. I think you have to remove maybe this with these screws. It says remove metal base for easy bit installation. Okay, you can remove this. Okay, I don't have to remove this in order to install that. But surely if you remove that, you're going to be able to hook this up so that way you can connect the vacuum cleaner. In this case, I don't care. At least in my case, I don't care about that. I don't work hours with this. It's just maybe 10-20 minutes and I'm done. And also I prefer use the vacuum cleaner. I don't want to have a lot of attachments, when I use this type of tool or almost any tool. I want to make it, easy, fast, I get in, get out, and that's it. So, and I can clean up later if I have a little bit of wood dust somewhere, and that's it. It's very easy to me, at least easier to me. As you can see here, you have some screws. I mean, you have some holes here that you can screw something. It's not for this. In the beginning, I thought okay, maybe you can put this here, but it doesn't have the hole that you see here. Yeah, it doesn't fit like that. So it's most likely the other way. So I'm going to show you how you can use it. So you remove this, and this is the clamping mechanism that was talking in the box. So you push here like that, and then you go, up and down, and that's it. And if you want to move it maybe a little bit, you do it from here. So as you can see, just a tiny bit. There we go. That's it. So, and after you have it in the right place, close it, and that's it. So it doesn't come with the bits. So I have to have my own bits. As you can see here, you have different sizes, different diameters. At least in my case, with this, it will be okay. Because again, I don't use this, 24/7 or anything like that. I use it just once in a while, to fix a few doors or to install some hinges or something like that. Other than that, it's not something that I need, a lot of variety or bits or anything like that, at least for my case. If you do something else, if you do carpentry, I don't know, cabinets or something like that, maybe it's another case for that. But if you need something like that, okay, you can buy that. All right, so here I'm going to show you. Here you have the speed dial that I was talking about in the box. So from 1 to 6, turn it on, turn it off. That's it. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to connect the battery here, turn it on. That is the lowest speed, but I'm now going to change it to the fastest speed. You will tell by the noise. If you use it full speed, of course, the battery will last less. So if you don't have to use it full speed, I mean, it depends on your application. I think in my application for what I do, I think maybe speed 1 or 2 will be plenty enough for that. I mean, other than that, I mean, it's very simple. If you never have used something like that, at least to install inches or something like that, you just push it like this, maybe leave it maybe a quarter of an inch or something like that, do the cutting that you need, and then after that, if everything is good, leave it like that. Otherwise, you know, you can make it a little bit higher, lower. You can control the depth by doing that. Other than that, I mean, it's very simple tool. There is nothing weird about this, and it can help you to make a lot of currency. So if you want something like that, and you're outside the United States, you want me to ship it to you, I can do that. DHL, FedEx. Otherwise, if you're here in US, I'll try to leave in the video description so that way you can buy yourself. Hopefully you have enjoyed this class, and if you have any question, please let me know the section below. And remember, I have a playlist about tools. And something that before I leave, something very important I forgot. I have this, so I didn't show you this. So if you have to replace the, or change the bit, so if you never done it before, just open this up like that, remove, put it, out of the way, and remove the battery just in case. Spin it a little bit so that way it will, be completely closed, locked. So if you see here, I'm pushing and nothing happens. But if I spin it a little bit, there we go, goes all the way in. And once it's firm in place, you have a few options. Again, you can remove this, or you can just do it from here. I think if you do it from here, it would be okay. And this is what I done it before. So you spin it a little bit, you lose it, and that's it. You remove it, put the new one in, or the smaller size, or whatever size that you want, that you need, and that's it. Adjust it by hand, make it faster, and to make it tighter, use this, and that's it. Simple to use. I don't like this, that you have this laying around. I would like the tool maybe to have some place where you can take it in and leave it inside. Some tools, like in RYOBI, they have another tools like the grinder, that you have the kind of the same tool and you have a place to put this in, but they don't have anything like that. Worst case scenario, could be handy. Or maybe you can put a string here or something. I don't like that idea, but I think if we could put something, to keep it in place, that would be awesome. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.